Today I'm going to show you how to remove saved passwords on Chrome quickly and safely. This is really useful if you want to clean up old logins, remove passwords for websites you no longer use, or protect your privacy on a shared computer. The good news is that Chrome makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into Chrome's main settings area, where you can manage everything from privacy to passwords. On the settings page, look for Autofill and Passwords. Click that option to open the password-related settings. This is the section where Chrome stores saved logins, payment methods, and autofill details. Next, click Google Password Manager near the top of the menu. Google Password Manager is where all of your saved website passwords are stored in one place. Now you'll see a list of accounts and websites that Chrome has saved for you. You can scroll through the list manually if you're looking for a specific login. Or you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the exact website name. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of saved passwords and want to find one fast. Once you locate the website or account you want to remove, click on the website name. At this point, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity by entering your Windows password, Mac password, or PIN. That extra step is there to make sure only you can access and change saved credentials. After you unlock it, you'll see the details for that saved login. To remove it completely, click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion if Chrome asks you to, and that saved password will be removed from your account. If you want to delete more than one password, just repeat the same steps for each website you no longer want saved. And that's it. You've now removed saved passwords on Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, and it's a great habit to keep your browser organized and your accounts more secure. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.